This video will start the Lab 2 exercises. Lab 2 is supporting desktop applications, found in supporting Windows 8.1 Lab Manual in preparation for exam 70-688, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course. During the next couple of videos, we're going to be looking at installing and using the Application Compatibility Tool, or ACT Kit, installing applications, using remote applications, and using the AppV programs. So let's get started with exercise 2.1, which is installing and using the Application Compatibility Tool, or ACT Kit. In this exercise, you're going to install SQL Express and then install the Application Compatibility Toolkit. The mindset behind this is that the ACT Toolkit will help determine whether application devices and computers within your organization can run newer versions of Windows. So let's get started by logging on to server 2. Okay, we're going to log into server 2 as Contoso/administrator and password. And this is what we're going to be using throughout the labs. Alright, we're going to go into our File Explorer and navigate to our RWDC. Network. RWDC and software Windows Kits. Okay, now we're going to click on 8.1 and ADK, and then we're going to double click on the ADK setup. And then select Run. And then Next. Next. Accept. And we want to deselect all features except Application Compatibility Toolkit and Microsoft SQL Server 2012. And then we'll go ahead and do install. If you're following along in your lab manual and you're required to do so, this is where you would take your first print screen. Alright, I'm going to go and click on Close. And I'm going to close out of this. Click on the Start menu, actually right click the Start menu. And I want to type in Run ACM. Oops, I got to do a search. Cancel. Right click, search, ACM. And we want to select the Application Compatibility Manager. And then click on Next. Do you want to use this computer to run an ACT log processing service? Click on Next. And configure your ACT database settings. For the SQL Server settings, we're going to select Local. Local ADK. And then select Connect. Then database, we're going to type in ACT. And then Next. Next. And we're going to do Browse. to this PC, local disk, make new folder, logs. And then OK, and then next. Next, finish. Okay, on the left side of the page, we're going to click on Collect, File, New. We're going to choose Inventory Collection Package. If you're following along the lab manual, you'll take your next screenshot here. Select Create. In the Save Data Collection Package dialog box, we're going to answer the following question. Where will the package be saved? So in the file name text box, we're going to type in backslash rwdc01 / software. And then next, and then finish. The next question was, what are the next steps for your inventory collection package? Okay, next we're going to click on Collect again. I'm sorry, we're going to close this. And now we're going to click on our Start button. Right click. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and left click. And we want to find, click on our little down arrow. We want to find Compatibility Administrator. And then click. Alright, now we're going to click on Expand Applications. And then click on Adobe Photoshop CS4. How many fixes are available for Adobe Photoshop CS4 in the 64-bit? And which compatibility mode setting is available for Photoshop? Okay, that is the end of this exercise. We're going to close out of the administrator. And that is the end of this video. The next video we'll look at exercise 2.2, which is installing applications.